Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the question, is Vestlye the right platform for beginners? If you're new to trading and considering your options, this video is for you. We'll go through everything you need to know about Vestlye and how it can help beginners get started with trading. Vestlye is a trading platform that offers a wide range of products to trade, including crypto, options, and even AI-powered trading. But is it user-friendly enough for beginners? Let's take a deeper look. When you're just starting out, the last thing you want is a complicated platform. Thankfully, Vestlye is easy to navigate. Its interface is clean, simple, and designed with beginners in mind. You'll find the essential tools and features in easy-to-access menus, so you won't waste time searching for what you need. The platform's layout is intuitive, making it easy to view charts, track markets, and execute trades. Vestlye knows how important education is for beginners. That's why it offers a variety of educational resources to help you get started. From step-by-step guides to video tutorials, there's plenty of content to walk you through the basics of trading. If you're not ready to risk real money, you can use the demo account to practice trading with virtual funds. This gives you the chance to get comfortable with the platform and understand how different markets work without the pressure of losing money. Vestlye makes it easy for beginners to trade with a variety of markets. The crypto market, for example, is a great entry point for new traders. Vestlye supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the platform provides real-time data and easy-to-understand charts to help you make informed decisions. If you prefer a more traditional approach, Vestlye offers with popular currency pairs like EUR/USD and GBP/USD. Vestlye also gives you access to options trading. While options can be a bit complex, the platform offers educational resources to help you understand the basics. You can start with simple strategies and gradually progress to more advanced ones as you gain experience. As you get started with trading, you're bound to have questions. Vestlye understands that, which is why it offers excellent customer support. Whether you need help setting up your account, understanding a trading feature, or resolving an issue, their support team is responsive and ready to assist. Having access to reliable customer support is key when you're just starting out. So, is Vestlye the right platform for beginners? Absolutely! With its easy-to-use interface, comprehensive educational resources, demo accounts, and a variety of trading options, Vestlye makes it easy for anyone to get started in the world of trading. Whether you're interested in crypto, forex, or even AI trading, Vestlye offers everything you need to begin your trading journey. If you're ready to start trading, I highly recommend giving Vestlye a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on trading platforms. Happy trading!